End up right over here somewhere.
Are you over the top of that green line? Oh. Yeah, there you go. Top water one.
One after another.
Well, I'm trying to keep it off of Dusty's line there.
What a pretty fish, Dylan. Oh, gorgeous.
It don't matter where you are, you know what I mean?
No,
it's
it
just
doesn't.
weird.
Look at this bowl, look at that. My goodness.
Ready?
But what I mean is, you can...
No, it doesn't.
And that was a medium-sized
It was, I know.